Today I want to teach you how to get to your textbook. First, you go to your Launchpad. You're going to click on McGraw-Hill, and then this will pop up. Now mine looks a little different because I'm a teacher and I have all the textbooks, but your textbook will pop up. For today's purposes, I'm going to use second grade and I'm going to use the student edition. You click on that and then you will see your dashboard. In Wonders, which is the name of the book, on your dashboard you will have a to-do list. That's where you'll find your assignments, some of them. This is your word work. I want you to complete those as well. This is your writing work. This is your adaptive learning. Here's where you can find books that have been assigned to you and also books that are just part of the curriculum and you can read. You can use these books for your reading logs each week. You have some games too that are really fun. So here's another way to toggle around. This, if you click on My Binder, it shows your to-do list. It shows your work and your tests. Writing and research. You can post topics. The resources are your books, your book. School to Home is information for your parents or your learning coach or you too. This one, you can create a note and there that you might want to save information. And this one is a glossary or a vocabulary or a dictionary. Remember, there's a search right here too. So if you can't find an assignment, you can always search right there. I hope this helps you learn more about how to navigate Wonders.